pepper glazed chicken.
Hi guys, today we're gonna cook the chicken with the black pepper sauce. We're gonna start to make the sauce first. First thing is gonna be sugar. So sugar I'm gonna go with half tablespoon. Black pepper. One teaspoon. Go with the dark soy sauce. Probably around half tablespoon. This one is for color. The next one I'm gonna go with the mushroom soy sauce for 2 tablespoons. And oyster sauce. Oyster sauce we're gonna go with 1.5 tablespoon. Be the lazy one because we're gonna use the air fryer to cook, so it's gonna save some time. So we're gonna wrap it and put in the refrigerator maybe 20 minutes to 1 hour, just to have the chicken to absorb all the sauce. When we cook it's gonna be very perfect with the flavor. So, ta-da! Let's get it set.
Pepper glazed chicken.